Hey guys, Dane from Scoggin-Dickey Parts Center, and we are here with Dave from Rust Bucket Restos. We've been following this build pretty closely over the last few months and have been really excited because Dave brought this to Moparty. And so this car is really a treat because he went through and did a lot of work on this in very short order and immediately got it all running after some extensive troubleshooting, and now he's here. You drove all the way from Utah?
1,600 miles.
Holy moly. Okay, well, do you want to talk a little bit about your car?
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, this is a 1970 Dodge Super B. We bought it back in January or so and actually started working on it in March. March 15th, it was still a complete bare shell, no floors, no nothing. Still had to do full quarters on it, all the metal work, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, we reached out to you guys to help us out with a nice top end kit, a cam kit for us. We put the Stage 4 Scoggin-Dickey setup in it, and man, it ran so good this weekend. And we finished literally at the last minute. I was telling you, like, we only put 30 miles on the car. Like, we were troubleshooting some electrical issues last minute, and then we put 30 miles on it, did some burnouts, loaded it up, drove 1,600 miles here, and beat the hell out of it all weekend. And it's still running great. So
Nice.
I know with that cam upgrade, it's got too much power for the tire that I have on it, so we didn't do as good as we wanted to do on the drag strip. Unfortunately, we were just spinning through first and into second. But with the right tires, this car would be unbelievably fast for what it is.
Do you want to tell me a little bit about the setup overall?
Yeah, so this is I believe it's out of a 2014 Dodge Challenger. It's a 6.4 liter Hemi with the TR6060 6-speed transmission in it. And like I said, we kind of pulled it right out of that. It was one of those wrecked engine donors that you find. And the motor ran great, the transmission shifted really nice, but we basically just took the top end off of it, did kind of a full seal job on it. And then we slapped the Scoggin-Dickey Stage 4 cam into it, push rods, valve springs, and then we also fitted it with the Holley EFI high ram intake as well. So it's got the full Holley complement of the Terminator X setup, and then it's also got their fuel tank in it as well. So it's pretty much all Holley and Scoggin-Dickey parts on it. We've also got it fitted with the cold case radiator and fan and shroud setup, which is meant to fit a Gen 3 Hemi into a 6870B body. So it's just all stuff that's made to fit all this current, modern stuff into the car with, and it all functioned really, really great this weekend. Interior, there's no frills. We actually scored a set of original 70 Coronet seats that we're going to be putting in the car when we get back, but we had to use my 68 Charger donor seats that are in it, and there's so much power, I was just sliding all over the entire car all weekend. So when we get back, we'll be dialing in the suspension, finishing up the interior on it, and honestly just enjoying it because it's been balls to the wall since March 15th. I mean, every single day, every night, getting this car to where it is, and yeah, it's an awesome build.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for your time on this. It is absolutely a beautiful build all the way around, especially considering the time constraints. And I do like the brawler look to it because it's definitely raw.
Yeah.
And
so what's really funny about this car is that originally it was a factory beige with orange interior car, and if it looks a little bit familiar, it used to belong to Kevin Shaw, and it's the former Zombie car, and he's been documenting that for about 10 years actually, from where he found it, pulling it out of a barn, and and then us getting it as a shell and making it what it is today.
Nice. Well,
yeah.
You got a white Zombie, and now it's Super Beast.
Yes, the Super Beast.
Excellent. That'll be it for this one. I do have another interview to see if I can track down before the end of Moparty. If you guys missed us this year, we're going to be back again next year. Same place, same time, also same location overall. And we're excited to see how this market continues to grow, how people are doing this stuff just essentially in their garage and having fun with cars, because that's the most important thing. And he's been able to do this and had his family with them, got the kids helping out and everything else like that, which I myself am a dad, and it's been a great experience being able to do that together with family as well, creating some awesome memories that will last a lifetime. So once again, thanks for stopping by Scoggin-Dickey Parts Center. This is Rust Bucket Restos. Check him out on YouTube. He's got some really cool projects on there, and get to learn along the way. You also had a few hiccups with the initial setup, but Holley took care of you right off the bat.
Huge.
And that's a huge thing because of the fact that Holley does have their warranties and everything for the ECUs and other components. So, and they've got a great tech support as well that we've even had to lean on before on our engine dynos as well as cars at the track or on the street. So once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next time.
See ya.